discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Nice. Whoa, this is different. Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. And you got, well, those are some really big motors. Wow.
PSI platform 515s.
Okay. So, what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name's Alan. 2 PSI platform 515s. 6 cubic feet, tuned at 31 hertz.
Okay.
Each sub's on a Crescendo 17K, wired at half ohm.
You said 2?
2.
Holy man.
They're in the back of the truck.
Okay. I'll look at it after. Wow. And you built this?
Yes, sir.
Nice. So is this kind of is this a single cab or?
It is a single cab.
Wow, that's wild. You fit this box behind the seats.
My goal was to have the loudest single cab in the truck system that I could.
And what made you do that back behind the seats instead of like maybe reinforced building on the side center console and all?
It's just where I started.
Okay. Nice. That's crazy to see. Have you done any kind of clamp test when you burped it?
I have not clamped it.
Okay.
It'll do a 57.5 at 31 hertz.
Wow.
We compete under base outlaws.
Okay. That's pretty good. Congrats, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I don't think I've heard something that loud in a single cab, so. All right.
The problem with it is I've got a narrow band range. I can only play between 25 and 32 hertz.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's really low to kind of get the SPL score. Are you trying to stay low, or are you just the cabin doesn't rise?
The cabin will not rise.
Man. I was gonna say, because you gained so much if you did in the 40s. Yeah. Wow.
I started at a 148 and that worked up to a 57.5.
That's awesome. One other question I have is, what made you mount them inverted instead of regular?
Because I only picked them heavy ass damn things up out of that box.
Yeah.
No, airspace.
Okay.
That's the only way I could get the proper airspace.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna look at the amps in the back too.
Yeah,
And this is this an 8 or a 10? The air.
it's an 8.
Okay. Just to look at it. Nice. Wow. I'm just moving this for a picture, if that's okay.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
I'll take all that.
Okay. Wow. Ooh. And these are at 1 ohm each or half ohm or strap? Half? Wow. Underneath? That's wild. I like you got a fan to keep the coil cool. extracting the pressure out of that in a single cab, man. You did a good job. And it plays pretty low, like low end. It's not like in the high 40 range. So it's impressive, man. Appreciate the demo.
Yes, sir.